the first thing that you are going to do is to first of all kill the fear, because already you are scared. Now you are fragile. You are very vulnerable. You are very sensitive. So the first thing that you will do is to first of all kill that fear, because now it has happened. It has happened. There are things that can be reversible and there are things that cannot be reversible. So you have to kill that fear that is in you. Then the second thing you will do is to prepare your mind. You prepare your mind for anything that will come out of it. If after you have related it to your parents, so whatever action your parents are going to take, you must be ready for it. Because honestly, I don't expect, or you don't expect, that when you come to meet the parents and tell the parent that you are pregnant as a teenager, they will clap for you. No. It's going to be a very big shock for them. And it's not all parents that are able to take it. Not all parents. There are some, it will not even affect their heads. You don't see they having high blood pressure just because of you. You, that they want to better her future, coming back with pregnancy. Now, after you have spoken with your parents and it didn't go well with them, you have to look for somebody that you trusted. It can be a nurse, it can be a doctor, it can be your pastor, it can be your man of God, it can be your relatives, it can even be friends to your parents. That maybe they will not help it to communicate with your parents. And again, you know you're already disappointed at yourself. But God Almighty is not disappointed at you. Because I am not in the school of thought that say that this pregnancy is unwanted or unplanned. No, there is no pregnancy that is unwanted and unplanned. Because you know that the only thing that comes out of sexual intercourse is either pregnancy or you even being infected, carrying sexually transmitted disease through that process. And this sexually transmitted disease is just the worst of its own, because it can destroy your future, can destroy your uterus. So that whenever you're not ready to carry pregnancy, you can no longer get it, you can no longer achieve it because of what you have done, or because of the results when you were still young, growing up. And there are different parents, different parents with different action. Different parents with different reaction. Some parents, because of the love that they have for the girl child, they will bring the girl child inside and give her all the moral support, the financial, the physical, the social, every kind of support. They will stay with her, let her go through the pregnancy, give birth to the child, maybe nurse the child for some months or a year, and then go back to school. But there are some, they will disown the child because they are looking at social stigmatization. They are looking at, God, how will people see me? How will people see me? What will people say about me? That the child that I sent to school is pregnant? So on its own, it's difficult for parents to even comprehend it. Whereas the other parents, they will bundle the girl and show her to either their paternal or maternal village. You know what you're going to do and how you're going to sort yourself. By the time you deliver, you can come back. So I am in the school of thought that if you actually achieve pregnancy during your teenage year, it does not stop you from continuing your education, and it doesn't stop you from going to learn the skill that you're already doing. Because pregnancy is not a disease, it's not sickness, it's not like it's infection that you're going to infect somebody with it. No. A child is there, a seed is there, a living being is there, that you have to care and cater for that living being. So you are not a mistake, and that child is not a mistake. And for us to avoid this, I'm always preaching it in my channel that the only solution, to all of this is for the young girl, the child. They should stay away from sex. A young girl that is still growing up, avoid sex, because you know that when you have a sexual intercourse with the opposite sex, you already know that two things that we achieve. Why will you allow just few minutes of pleasure to ruin the future, to ruin your plans, to ruin your dreams? Please, if you're a young girl watching me, and if you're a teenage girl watching me, please zip up. You can always stay till maybe you are not done with your higher institution. You can always stay till then. Everybody that loves you will want to respect your goal and your timing. You as a teenager, if you have any problem, you have any topic, you have any challenge, or you want somebody, you want to talk to, you're looking for somebody to pour out your heart to, or you want somebody to discuss with, you can actually have one-on-one discussion. And if you have any challenge or anything at all, you can always drop it in the comment section. So if you have watched this video to this time and you have not subscribed to this channel, why not kindly subscribe? Give this video a thumbs up, share to your loved one, share to your friends, all the teenagers, share to your friends. and then click on the notification bell so that anytime I send an informative, beneficial, educative post like this, you will be the first person to get it. Now you watch out for another beautiful video. Bye.